Make sure to like and subscribe, or I'll be coming in.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a cosplay announcement because we're only about a little over 1 month away until we reach Puerto Rico Comic Con. That's right guys, Puerto Rico Comic Con. If you guys don't know about Puerto Rico Comic Con, it is the biggest event here in Puerto Rico. But yeah guys, my announcement, I'm going to be doing 2 amazing cosplays. And one of them is a remake of a cosplay I did last year, the Red Hood. You guys can take a look at it right here. That's right. This is me last year at Puerto Rico Comic Con. It's actually a little Mod Podge of different parts coming from the Justice League Batman armor from the end of the movie, and a Red Hood helmet that I found on Etsy. It also comes in a PDO for all those who want to make this helmet that don't really have a 3D printer to make it on their own. What I'm going to do is on Friday and Saturday, I'm going to be cosplaying as 2 separate characters. I haven't done 2 cosplays for a convention in so long, so this is going to be a first for me in quite a while. And one of the best things about it is I'm going to be doing a bad guy from the DC universe. I usually do anime characters, but I want to do more comic book. I want to do some DC. I love comics. I love DC. I love Marvel. I am an equal opportunity comic book geek. Alright guys, so here is my Red Hood helmet. And this is an STL file that I actually got on Etsy. It's a helmet that actually comes in 2 pieces that you can actually put magnets or latches depending on how you actually want to wear it. I actually merged the pieces together on my 3D builder on my little laptop, and what I actually did is then slice it down the middle. That way I can print this face going up on the first and then print this one going the same way. And then I just basically welded the 2. That way I can actually slide it onto my head and slide it right back off with ease, because we all know when you wear helmets, it gets hot, guys. It is sweaty hot like a freaking sauna, and when you live in Puerto Rico and you're wearing armor or any type of helmet, you're gonna get drenched. Not too long ago guys, my shelf that I actually have all my helmets on display collapsed. For some reason the screws kind of gave way and it tilted to one side, and all of my helmets that I had on that shelf fell. Pretty much all of them survived except for my Red Hood helmet. As you can see from the side here, it actually has a crack all the way from the eye down to the chin. So it kind of opens up a little bit. So what I'm going to have to do is basically sand every part of this right off, take all this paint off, and then weld it together, and then go onto the inside and then weld the inside to secure the whole hold. And maybe add a little bit of plastic resin on the inside just to give it that more extra security in case it's ever to happen again and fall. And the same thing actually happened to the side of the helmet. When it fell, it cracked on this side and it cracked a little bit on this side. Kind of gives it that little Scarface type of vibe. One of the things that I'm actually thinking about doing with this helmet is I'm going to paint this completely black and then maybe add some black lines to the back and onto this section of the helmet. And for the inside where I look through, I actually want to attach this metallic silver tint to the inside of the helmet. That way when somebody takes a picture of me, my eyes will kind of like flash white, so it'll look like how they look in the cartoons and everything, where you all you see is like a white eye. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna actually be doing this. I'm just gonna fix it up, repair it, use the same metallic red that I got from Duplicolor at my local Pep Boys, and I'm going to just go to town on this and fix it up and make sure that it's ready in 4 weeks. Alright, so here we have the torso armor for my Red Hood cosplay that I'm going to be actually wearing for Saturday at Puerto Rico Comic Con. With the gauntlets, what I'm thinking of doing is removing the 3D printed spikes and actually replacing them with foam carved spikes. That way to give them a little bit more flexibility and to make them a little bit more con-friendly from when I'm actually walking around the convention floor. For the ab plates, I'm actually going to remove these and replace them with foam. That way they adhere a little bit easier, because using PLA and gluing them onto the fabric, they're not really holding on well and they come loose every so often. Luckily they didn't come loose during the convention when I was there last year, but after they started coming off, and I think the best way to go is to make them out of foam. That way gluing them with contact cement a lot better. As you can see here, the top of the chest and the emblem of the Red Hood are actually made out of 2 different thicknesses of EVA foam, craft foam actually, and just glued together with some contact cement. And on the back of the armor, I decided to do the same thing. I added an emblem, more of dark Batman-esque. So what I did was carve it out of some thick EVA foam and then added some grooves, heated it up, and then painted it with the Duplicolor metallic red, giving it that nice metallic shine. And the majority of the armor is actually printed out in black PLA, which I did nothing with, no sanding, no painting, left it the way it is on some parts just to give it that more made at home or made in a Batcave-esque feel, to give it more badass feeling, in my opinion. Alright guys, so my cosplay for Friday's Puerto Rico Comic Con Day 1 is actually going to be the Black Mask from the Arkham Knight video game. And this one I actually got from Do3D. This is actually one of his files. You can actually find the link in the description below. That way, if you guys are interested in getting this STL file for yourselves, I would say go get it. I really highly recommend his Black Mask. It's awesome. It actually comes in 2 separate pieces, so you can actually make it as a helmet with hinges or magnets. For me, I'm actually gonna weld these 2 pieces together and then have it slide on and off my head. But what I'm actually also going to do, since the back is a little bit more roomier, just to give that extra space so my face doesn't, or that my ears don't rub it up against here on the side. So I'm going to add some foam on the sides and onto the back as well. So that way, when I'm wearing this mask, my face is pressed against the mask. So that way, my eyes are a little bit more closer. And these are actually go inside the eye, so it makes the part look a little bit more smaller. So it'll, as you can see, it kind of hides a little bit more. Doesn't actually look like a skull. I might go put a little bit of foam on the back of these, so that way when I add some of this silver tint on the inside, when somebody flashes a light on the camera, it looks white, like how you see, like how my softbox is reflecting off of this. A camera flash will reflect off of that. I don't want to go red because it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. So that's what I'm going to do. I basically have a lot of sanding to do for this baby. The way I printed it actually upside down. So there are a few imperfections on the print lines here and a little bit of a shift over here from when it was shaking a little bit off the print bed. But I will be able to fix that with a little bit of body filler, some Bondo, some sanding, a lot of sanding, guys. When you do stuff like this, sanding is a priority. Priority 1. So for the rest of the Black Mask cosplay, basically I bought the Baklava, a black one. I bought some black theater gloves. I didn't want to go leather or pleather. I couldn't find really any that would be in my size. It didn't look like opera gloves. So I bought some black ones off eBay. I'll show you guys right here where I got it, how much it was. And I'm going to be using my own black clothes. I just had to invest in a white tie and a white vest. And basically, it's all a go. Just roll up my sleeves. And I will be making a video, guys, showing you how both the cosplays come out. Because if you guys can't make it to Puerto Rico Comic Con, if you guys can't make it to Puerto Rico Comic Con, I don't want you guys to be left out. I want you guys to see how it is. So I will make a video of the reveal of both these cosplays side by side for your viewing pleasure. I hope you guys like it. I only have 4 weeks to do this and get it done before day 1 of Puerto Rico Comic Con. That is a stretch because I have to change one costume and I still have to wait that some parts to come in the mail for another one and then do any type of adjustments if there are any adjustments. And we all know that any cosplay that you do, there are adjustments. So if any of you guys are going to be in Puerto Rico or live in Puerto Rico and are attending the Puerto Rico Comic Con and you want to meet up and hang out, I will be putting out an announcement on my Twitter and Instagram letting people know where I am, at what time I will be there. That way, if anybody wants to take some pictures, a selfie, or anything in the cosplay, I'll be more than happy to take a picture with you guys, hang out with you guys, shoot the breeze or anything, because we're all cosplayers. We're all there to have fun and have a great time. And I can't wait to see every single one of you in your amazing cosplays. And if any of you guys want to know if I take commissions, yes, I actually do take commissions. Prices vary depending on what it is you actually want made. If you want a helmet made, a mask, armor, prop or something. If you guys want to contact me about getting something made, just send me a comment down below and I will surely get right back to you. Or you can actually contact me on Instagram or Twitter. You can just DM me at OscarLorea39. Very easy. I do respond fairly quickly to everybody who sends me a DM. So if you want to know what else I've been working on, guys, check my Instagram out at OscarLorea39 and you'll see everything I've been posting, because I've been working on some Power Ranger Ninjetti medallions and the morphers to go along with the 8 helmets that I've been making for Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Red, pink, blue, black, yellow, Lord Zed, and Alpha. I made all those helmets lately. I've been making videos of those helmets and been posting them for you guys. I'm going to be working on some other helmets that are not related to Power Rangers. I want to give you guys more variety. So I'm going to be making a video on how to make the black mask I got from Do 3D, guys. Make sure you check out Do 3D. They have a amazing variety of helmets from DC, anime, video games, and Star Wars. And also, if you want to go and get this helmet for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. That way you can go on Etsy and purchase your own. They also have a Peppercurry version. So if you don't have a 3D printer like myself, you can actually get a PDO file and actually build it yourself by hand with some cardstock, glue, fiberglass, and all whatnot. Also, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the notification. And make sure to hit that notification bell, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video I hope you guys love this video, and if you have, hit that like button. If you love cosplay, hit that like button. If you don't like cosplay, still hit that like button, guys. So those who are going to be at Puerto Rico Comic Con, I hope to see you there, and I hope to have a good time with you and take some selfies and just shoot the breeze with you guys and have a great and awesome weekend. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope that you stay tuned for the next one, because I will be back with another video, and I hope to see you guys then. Bye. Hey you! Hey you! Did you forget to hit that subscribe button? Oh my god, guys. You can't leave without hitting that subscribe button, guys. You gotta hit that subscribe button, because you gotta let me know that you guys want to see more of this content that I have bringing of these builds, because I'm gonna be bringing more of these builds. And if you guys want to see more builds, you gotta hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, you gotta smash that like button, you guys. You gotta smash it until you break your thumb. But I don't want you to break your thumb. Please don't break your thumb. Don't break your thumb on my account. So don't forget, guys, hit that notification bell as well, so you guys get notifications of every time I upload a new video. Because if you hit that like button, I will make more amazing 3D print builds and some foam builds as well, guys.